Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technology. So today we are going to be discuss regarding the job openings on automation testing. So let us go through the first job opening here. Role would be Selenium Automation Testing Engineer and location is Hyderabad location they are offering for, and they are expecting 3 to 5 years of experience from the candidate. So coming to the skills, these are all the major skills that candidates should have, like 3 to 5 years of experience in Java application development and automation testing, strong expertise in Selenium and WebDriver and automation framework, experience with SQL database, like no SQL database advantages, and familiarity with CI/CD pipelines and Docker Kubernetes is a plus, and excellent problem solving skills, abilities, and communication skills. So these are all the major responsibilities that candidates should have. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this mail ID. You can apply through this link, or else you can send your resumes to Vincent R by following him. So coming to the next job opening, role would be automation test engineer, and key skills are like 3 plus years of experience in automation testing tools like Selenium, Java, Playwright, and JavaScript, API, REST, Azure testing are relevant frameworks. So job location is Bangalore location, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 2 to 5 years of experience. So if you are interested for the job opening, and you can send your resumes to kainath.khan@mulya.com. So you can send your resume stream directly. So coming to the next job opening here, role would be Java developer with automation testing, and location is Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, and Chennai location they are offering for. Work mode would be work from office, and hybrid mode also they are offering here. So job type would be full time, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 4 to 10 years of experience. Then they are looking for immediate joiners of 30 days they are giving as a notice period. And if you are interested, you can send your updated resumes to this mail ID, like nilimam@vilvatech.com. So coming to the next job opening here, role would be automation QA consultant, and location is remote, like location they are offering for. Duration is 12 months contract, and this is the job description here, like automation and manual testing QA with ideally 5 years of experience, expertise in Selenium and C++, and develop and execute automation and manual test to validate software functionality and performance. And they are also looking for coding experience, and preferably in C language and JavaScript, and needs experience with SQL, strong knowledge of API testing with Postman tool, and ideally experience testing application deployed in Azure, including API, and key walls should have experience in web and mobile web testing and Android. So these are all the main job responsibilities. So if you are interested for the job opening, and if you have these skills, and you can send your resumes to sunita@southern.sg.com. So coming to the next job opening, role will be automation testing Python, and experience would be 2 to 4 years of experience they are looking from the candidate, and job location is Gurgaon location. Work from office, it would be a work from office, and skills required automation Python, Selenium, and robotic framework. So if you have these skills, if you are and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to Arti Parmar. So coming to the next job opening, role would be automation test engineer. Like these are all the mandatory skills like Java, Selenium, and API automation. Location would be Trivandrum. Notice period they are giving as if they joiner or 30 days they are looking for experience. They are expecting from the candidate 6 to 8 years of experience. Like if you are interested for the job opening, and if you have these skills, like you can send your resumes to animika.venar@usd.com. So coming to the next job opening here, role would be automation test engineer, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 4 to 6 years of experience that candidate should have. Location would be indoor remote location, and these are all the skills required from the candidate like web mobile and web C, N unit specific flow like page object, step definition, hooks features, and application C interface concept, APM, and page object. Hands-on experience in Selenium with Cucumber framework, involvement in Selenium environment setup and creating, organizing, and managing test automation resources, excellent communication. So they are looking for these skills. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to jobs@eclatinginfotech.com, or else you can follow Sonal Jain and you can send your resumes to her directly. So coming to the next job opening, role would be automation test engineer, and they are hiring for Java Selenium automation, and job type would be C2H, contract to hire, and location they are offering for Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Trivandrum, Pune and Noida, Gurgaon, Chandigarh, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 8 to 10 years of experience they are expecting. Notice period would be immediate join they are looking for. So these are all the job descriptions, like skills they are required: strong test automation scripting skills in Java and Selenium in testing frameworks, API testing, and good to have knowledge in latest testing frameworks, good analysis skills, knowledge in AGL process, tools like TFS, GitHub, and testing frameworks is also required. Contribute in daily stand-up meetings with the client, and strong articulation and communication skills are preferred. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to venkatesh.spruceinfotech.com. So you can send your resumes to him, or else you can follow SP Venkatesh and you can send your resumes to him directly. So coming to the next job opening, role would be WLAN testing automation, and location is Chennai location they are looking for. Experience they are expecting from the candidates 2 to 6 years of experience they are expecting, and skills required: strong in WLAN and Python hands-on, and strong into Linux, and this is the educational background like the BE, BTech and MTech they are looking for, and they're offering for only immediate joiner and 15 days notice period are eligible for the job opening. So if you have these skills and if you're interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to meghana.ks@spunnyidea.com, or else you can follow Meghana KS and you can send your resumes to her directly. So coming to the next job opening here, role will be software testing automation plus manual, and job opening would be manual job opening, and they are looking for 10 years of experience into manual testing or and automation testing, minimum 4 plus years of experience in Java, Selenium testing, Jenkins, Azure or AWS. Job location will be Chennai location, and if you are a MD joiner, you can send your resumes to karthikeyan.ramaraj10@gmail.com, or else you can follow Rishabh Rajoria and you can send your resume stream directly. So that's all for today's topic. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.